Ooh, girl, you're something, girl, you're something off fleek. Ooh, girl, you're something, girl, you're something off fleek. Ooh, girl, you're something, girl, you're something off fleek. Ooh, girl, me love your everything, me love your everything.
So hey guys, how are you doing? So today I thought I'd come by and show you like the quickest hair tutorial ever. Basically my hair is just mashed up at the moment. I've tried to oil the scalp but it's just matting. But I'm going to be using like a really cheap synthetic wig to create an amazing look that takes like less than 5 minutes to do. And literally I'm out the house and it works good on fresh hair or dead hair like mine. So I use I think it's the ORS olive oil edge control stuck down my hair, like it's nice and moisturizing. Put on a wig cap, and then I'm using the sleek wig from Sleek. The sleek wig is called Rachel, and basically it's got like a 4-inch long ass parting, and it's super long and it's just crazy. It has like a lot of baby hairs at the front, like some tick up baby hairs, but I don't really use those, so I'm just showing you like the quickest way to like slay your hair, make it look real and make it look natural without having to do too much. Like, you know, it's not one of them ones where there's no gel, it's literally just all good in the hood. So all I did was just put it on and brush it out and find where I want my parting to go. And yeah, I always brush these wigs out really thoroughly just to make sure that I can control it. Look how long it is, guys. It's like about 28 inches or 30, I don't know, but it's just really long. Look at the slow-mo though. Oh, so bouncy, girl, it's mad. This is in the color 1. So I'm just using like a comb just to like make the part in, and then I'm going to actually like, okay, I nearly dropped that. But yeah, I'm just making sure that like I take out some of my hair at the front. It's like a little bit, because I'm going to stick down my baby hairs. So I'm just going to pluck that little bit of the wig. I know it's a bit blurry, but I just pluck that little bit just so the parting is like all the way through to the front. Then just gonna part the hair again, make sure that everything's separated, and just gonna like pick out a little bit of my hair. And then I'm using the gel, and I am going to be sticking my baby hairs how the hair moves. So basically I'm just, yeah, sweeping it across, sweep. Baby hairs make everything look natural, guys, because literally this does not have like a proper lace front. It's just the parting that's lacy. So I am just basically just sticking my baby hairs down, making them really big and flirty and beautiful. And then what I'm going to do next is actually push those other baby hairs inside the wig, just so that like it doesn't show through. You can leave out yours if you want to. I left out a little bit and kind of stuck it in with my own hair. So as you can see there, I just kind of brushed that down as well and just made like a big thing. It looked fresh though. Yes. And then once that's done, guys, actually that's literally it. I just made it like that, and then I'm just gonna pull the hair to the front, and then I'm gonna stick everything down. Like you can just stuck those in. Like look at that, guys. No glue, nothing. It's just like, it's madness. Like how does that work? And it's all like really cheap, even behind the ear, guys. Like it's mad. So I'm just gonna tie down that and let my edges kind of set so it doesn't move or out of place. There is combs in this, so you can actually, you know, secure this as well, but I really use combs, or you can just use bobby pins. So I just took it out. It's flowy, it's beautiful, it's black, it's soft, it doesn't shed. This lasts about 2 to 3 weeks if you wear it every single day and treat it bad. But it's absolutely gorgeous. So when I take this off, it's gonna be slayed, and it is a matting. So I really hope you like this video, guys. This hair is beautiful. Check the description bar below for the links, and I'll see you in my next one. Big up yourself.